Happy Friday, everyone. Well, still a chance of snow today, but how long is the snow chance going to be sticking around? We'll get to that in just a second in your weekend forecast, sponsored by NIPSCO. But let's start with today. And the good news is it looks like it's going to be a dry morning commute. It looks like the chance for snow showers not coming back until around 10 a.m. this morning. And I do think it's going to be a period of isolated snow shower activity across the region. If I had to pick a peak time for the snow shower activity, the most likely time you'll see a little bit of light to moderate snow coming down, looking like around 1 o'clock this afternoon. Notice the gaps, but I do think there'll be a period, there's a decent chance you'll see a little bit of snow coming down. By the way, it is going to be cold today because our high temperatures just in the low 30s, but windy, gusts around 30 miles per hour, so only feeling like around 20 degrees. That's what you need to be prepared for this afternoon. Now, by the time we get to 4, 5 o'clock, homebound commute, still got to mention the chance for flurries, but already past the peak in the snow shower activity. And again, I do want to stress we're not talking about a lot of snow today because of the gaps in the activity, but already past that peak by the time we get to 4 or 5 o'clock. So just a chance for some flurries, it looks like. Driving home from work, and then I'm going to keep the chance in for flurries for an extended amount of time. So that does include Friday evening. Again, notice that it could very well be completely dry at 7 o'clock this evening, but see how there's blue nearby? I do want to mention the chance that there could still be a brief period where a little snow comes down and then it stops, and then it snows a little bit and then it stops. I think that's the case for tonight, Saturday, and then maybe even the start of Saturday night. Let me show you what I mean. I'm just going to mention a few flurries tonight, Saturday, and then for Saturday evening before we finally dry out Saturday night. And as far as these flurries go, I do think there's going to be a little bit more flurry activity the farther north and east you live in the region, and less the farther south and west, because there's actually going to be some fairly significant lake effect snow up in Michigan. So what we're looking at is we're basically right on the edge of it. So I do think we're going to see more flurry activity in LaPorte County versus Lake County, for example. And then particularly, as usual, when it comes to the lake effect snow, the best chance for seeing flurry activity is going to be in northern LaPorte County. So that's what we're looking at tonight through Saturday evening. Mentioned a chance for all of us, but the best chance to the north and east. Now let's focus in on temperatures. Tonight, 23, but still windy. Gusts around 30 miles per hour still. So look what it's going to be feeling like. That 23 is going to feel like 12 degrees in the region. Saturday, I think we'll have a little bit more success at seeing some sun. I don't want to get your hopes up, though, because I think the clouds are going to win out, but I think we'll at least start to see some peaks of sun, especially in the western part of the region. Probably just going to stay overcast, again, in LaPorte County, where you have that better chance of flurries. And look how it gets even colder. Our average high in the region on Saturday, 27. Still breezy with gusts around 25 miles per hour, so feeling like 17. Saturday night, again, I probably, for Saturday evening, we'll probably only continue to see the flurries in northern LaPorte County. I bet everybody else in the region will already be done with the chance of flurries, and the cloud cover is still trying to decrease. We'll call it a partly cloudy night Saturday night, but looking even colder than tonight. Cooling down to 18 degrees, but still breezy. So that 18 very late Saturday night, early Sunday morning is going to be feeling like 8 degrees in the region. Finally, on Sunday, no chance of flurries, mostly sunny skies, but look at that. Even with mostly sunny skies, the temperature is going to be the same as on Saturday. High of just 27 degrees. That's about 10 degrees below normal for this time of year. Our normal high temperatures are in the upper 30s in mid-December, so running about 10 degrees below normal for the weekend. And still got to say, though, notice how there is a gradual decrease in the wind as we go through the weekend. Still got to call Sunday breezy. We're still going to see those gusts around 20 miles per hour, so not feeling any warmer than 18 Sunday afternoon.